According to the Roman historian Tacitus, a phoenix appeared in Egypt in AD 35, a remarkable event which occasioned much discussion by Egyptian and Greek authorities. Though Tacitus doesn't know what to make of the story, he duly notes that this bird was said by some to live 500 years and by others 1,461. That means that we can look forward to seeing one again in the year 2035, or, granting the outside figure, the year 2957. Lifespan isn't the only detail open to doubt. The phoenix is most famous for rising from its own ashes, a pretty neat trick no doubt, but one at variance with the earlier accounts. Herodotus, for example, reported in the 5th century BC only that the phoenix carries its deceased parents to the temple of the sun at Heliopolis in Egypt, and this happens once every 500 years. Herodotus does not know, or seem to care, how one phoenix dies and another is born. Later writers are much more interested in the bird's reproduction. They all agree on a few facts: that there is only one phoenix at any given time, that it resides in Ethiopia, that it resembles an eagle, that its beautiful feathers are fire red and golden. Beyond that, they are very pleased to differ with each other. The natural historian Pliny supposed that when the phoenix died, a worm would crawl from its corpse. Once thoroughly baked by the African sun, this worm would be transformed into a new phoenix. Almost as disgusting as Tacitus's version, sensing that its end is near, the phoenix builds a nest of spices, over which it spreads a coat of reproductive serum. From this nest is born a new phoenix, who then carries his father to his nest in Heliopolis, where the carcass is burned. You will notice in these accounts that even if there are ashes, the phoenix does not rise from them. Lucian's renditions is better suited to modern fantasies. In his version, the phoenix again builds a spice nest, this time fanning its wings to help the sun ignite it, and then proceeds to self-immolate. A new phoenix indeed rises from the ashes, and at last we have a tale to capture the century's imagination. This version, which made its way into English literature around 1400, is the one preferred by Shakespeare, who was the first to apply it metaphorically. Today the bird is only a metaphor, but an allegedly authentic phoenix was captured in Egypt during the reign of the Roman Emperor Claudius, AD 41 to 54. Ignoring the fact that no phoenix was scheduled to visit Egypt again until at least AD 535, Claudius exhibited this specimen as the real thing, hoping to convert the discovery into some much-needed PR. Nobody, of course, took the bird seriously. I myself am withholding judgment until about 2035.